Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Have you got sensitive skin? I've got very sensitive skin. That's why I make all my own lotions and potions. And a couple of weeks ago, I actually got talked into trying a brand new product on the market. The lady said to me, it is absolutely hypoallergenic, it's fine for sensitive skin. And instead of doing a patch test, which I usually do, I fell into the words of this lady and thought, oh, okay, this has been great. I'm really busy, haven't got time to make my own skincare. Well, it was a big lesson because I had the worst burning all through my face, and I woke at 2 in the morning with this terrible throbbing, thinking, what am I going to do? So it was the cold flannels on my face, and in the morning I was into that kitchen and I got out my ingredients and I thought, okay, what won't hurt and what will soothe? So this recipe I'm calling my 3-2 or my 2-3-2 recipe. 3 ingredients. You need some fractionated coconut, and the reason I've gone for the coconut is because I've used that when I've been all over the world, when I've forgotten to buy something and I couldn't find anything for on my skin. It works for my skin, but it might not work for yours, but for me I know that it does. And also some aloe vera. Who doesn't know about aloe vera for burning? And then when it came to the essential oils, I thought, okay, of all the essential oils, what is for calming and soothing? And I've come up with the chamomile essential oils. It's pretty easy. As I said, it's 3 + 2. So 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. Put that into there. And then it is 3 tablespoons of aloe vera. Oh, not aloe, yeah, aloe vera. 3 of those goes into there. And then, putting lids on as I go because I had a wee disaster the other day. And then it is 2 or 3 drops of chamomile essential oil. But you do the check first before you put it onto your face, just in case it's still too much. So that's, I'm just using 2 for me. 2 of those into there. Waste not, want not. And then it is just a matter of getting one of these stick whiz things and gently doing this. Just whipping it up until it turns into a cream. It doesn't take long at all, but the more you whip it, the creamier it's going to become. I don't know if you can see into there or not, but I will show you in a minute. It's absolutely fantastic. Well, I think it is for my skin anyway. And sometimes it's nice to just have to be able to go to something that is going to soothe. But right about now, this is all that I am using on my skin, and it is definitely hitting the mark. And you could perhaps whip that up just a little bit more if you wanted to, but that will be all I'm going to do for now. But the more you do it, the whippier it gets. Or is that the right word? The whippier it gets. Now, when it comes to putting it onto my skin, I use a stick because when you are red and inflamed, if it is, well, some kind of inflammation, anything under your nails has got those little germs on it. So it's quite a good idea to just use your stick and not to double dip with your fingers into there. But it just goes on really easily, and it's quickly absorbed, and it just is so soothing. The other thing I do is I keep it in the fridge so that it's a nice temperature to just pat on when you've got those burny moments or that inflammation. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you again another day.